Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. We are at week 3 of the Christmas Holiday Mix, hosted by my beautiful YouTube and Dream Team sister, Bree of Bree's Project Book. I cannot believe we are at week 3 already, and today we are doing our interpretation of A Christmas Carole. And can you guess, like you don't know already, which Christmas Carole I am referring to? Deck the halls. We are decking the halls. Actually, I am going to share with you my master room tour. I have decked the halls in this space. Now, after you view my video, please take a look at the playlist, which will be in my description box down below, and show my sisters Bree, Wani, and Kenya some love by going over to their channels and watching. Again, these ladies come to slay always. They come to slay always. So without further ado, let me share with you my master bedroom. So here is a look of my master bedroom. I'm looking in from the doorway, and we're going in for a closer look, starting with my nightstand. This is my side of the bed, and I'm using our wedding colors. That's what jumped off this styling of the red, black, and white. Now, I usually love to decorate my nightstands, give it a holiday look. And when I came across these red and black poinsettias in old-time pottery and these black deer at Target, I knew exactly where I was going to use them. I tied a damask print ribbon around the neck of my reindeer and placed some Totally Dazzled bling on it. And I used these red candle holders that was gifted to me last year by one of my beautiful blessties. This reindeer came from at-home stores a couple of years ago, and I love switching out the greenery on it to fit my styles each year. And I've placed it over our bed to serve somewhat as a wreath. The headboard is also from Amazon. Now, how many pillows do you have on your bed? I think I have about 12 on the bed at the moment. And I used all those colors, like I said. And the bedding came from JCPenney. I saw this bedding and I was like, okay, this is it, because I have been looking for bedding for some time. I wanted something very neutral that if I wanted to add color, I could. Those pillow covers there are from Amazon. The damask print, black and white, from Tuesday Morning. And that red pillow, I think I bought it from Home Goods. It has a saying on the side, on the other side of it, that it's like it's not fitting, but the red is, so I just flipped it. And the throw came from Amazon. Everything you see from Amazon, I will have it linked in my description box down below. Here is my hubby's side, his nightstand. Pretty much done in the same style. I just switched it up with the trees. Those trees I had already, and they came from Hobby Lobby. I have one of those trees sitting on our Wi-Fi extender just to elevate it a little bit. And this is still his side of the room. I have this quilt or blanket holder. Also, I picked up from Amazon. It holds my quilts, my blankets, my throws. Now this side table, and you'll see in a minute, this love seat sits in front of our bed, or at the foot of our bed. And I've placed these trees that I found thrifting a couple of years ago with more greenery and picks from Hobby Lobby. When you use greenery and picks, it just brings your vignettes to life. Here's the love seat that sits at the foot of the bed. And I've placed our colors, the red and black, with the pillows. The black pillow or pillows are pillow covers from Amazon, and those red pillows I already had. Now the rug I purchased earlier this year from Ross, and I love it because it has mixed tones of off-white, silver, and gray. Now moving to where you saw me standing at the beginning. Which is my dresser. And I've done a little vignette on it with my red apothecary jars from Burlington. I've had them for a couple of years now too, and I enjoy pulling them out this time of year. The 'Tis the Season sign came from Target this year. I have it sitting on an easel, and in front of it or below it I have more greenery and picks. Now these chairs, I have two of them, I'm just showing one at the moment, came from At Home stores. And guys, these chairs, they make you feel like a king and a queen when you sit in them. And I knew when I saw these, they had to go in my master bedroom for hubby and I. They are so pretty. I love the nail head design on them, the high back. Here's my fireplace area. Dressed out in those colors and picks and the poinsettias and the greenery. and ornaments. The beautiful ribbon came from Walmart that says Merry Christmas, and the black and white damask came from Amazon. I love the draping of the beads on the front. And those candle holders are reindeer antlers. I thought they were so cute. I've had them for a minute too, and they came from Hobby Lobby as well. But just beautiful. Here is the other chair, and I've just placed a black pillow and a red pillow in both of these chairs. And here is my Christmas tree in my master bedroom. It is so beautiful at night to gaze at this tree. This is a King of Christmas tree. Pre-lit. The lights have several settings that you can choose from. And this tree is not flocked. The window panels that you see here are from K Gorge. This is my master bedroom for Christmas 2021. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. That way you will be notified of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store. Perfect time of year for it because you can shop in the comforts of your own home for home decor, holiday gifts, personal items, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, You already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am so thankful. I am so grateful, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. So thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I'll see you next week for the finale, week 4, and on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon.